Alright, so I got a switch air here. Switch test. Got these guys working. 73, 72, 71 obviously don't work. Not going to check the board yet, but right down here I see this little guy came off. Just going to clip a little bit here. Alright, use my trusty alligator clips. Alright, I'm going to hook one lead here. And I'm just going to do this to bridge the connection to make sure I get these guys to register before I go ahead and solder, but we should be good now. "71, 72, 73, boom, done. So just solder that up and call it a day.